You're going to go onto the internet. You're going to get your picture, download it. Once you've downloaded it, you will drag it to the desktop, and then you will open up Adobe Illustrator and drag it and do a file new. Make sure you're doing a print document. We're going to try to stick with inches and 6x6 and create. Once we have a 6x6, we're going to drag this in, size it up to a 6x6, which you already have it, right? And then we're going to start going through the print process. So the print process is File, Print, and we're going to go to Setup, Continue. Make sure we choose the helix, Preferences, and if you're doing just a engrave, we'll go to Raster. If you're doing an engrave and you're going to do a vector path or a cut path, you're going to do combined. If you're just going to cut the piece of wood, you do vector. So we'll go to Raster right now because we're just going to engrave it. If we were going to cut it too, we'd go down here and set these settings. And there's different settings depending upon the chart that I'll have posted on the wall right behind this computer. So we're going to go in and check autofocus because that will bring the actual laser down and touch off on the piece of wood, and then it'll set it the proper amount away so that the lens is focused so you have a strong enough laser. We're going to go in here and set our 6x6 so that our actual piece of wood matches up with our document so that it has the right scale. If you're doing a piece of wood, you'd have a power of 100 and a speed of 60. If it was a different material, you look on the chart behind the computer to determine that. So make sure we got Raster. If we're doing a picture, we're going to be doing Jarvis because that dot pattern will make the picture look better. That would be it as far as the different settings. We're going to click OK, Print, and then sometimes the document size will not match up with the media size. It won't update for some reason, so you're going to have to hit Done, and then you're going to have to hit File, Print again so that it updates and they match up. So if the document size and the media size match up, then you're good to go. You should be able to hit Print and then look on the screen of the laser. It should say Unentitled 2, Job 1. If you print it again, it would say Unentitled 2, Job 2.